In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can calculate interest rate in Microsoft Excel. For this, we have some data, which is loan amount, years, month and monthly PMT. Now, we need to calculate monthly rate, interest rate. So, we are going there and enter equal, then write rate. Here is a function, double click there, and this is the value of NPR. This is total month number, and total month number is 300. We are selecting this, then put a comma, then what is PMT, and monthly PMT is this, and put again a comma, and now what is our total value, present value. Our loan amount is this big, so loan amount is minus, so we are putting a minus and then put this cell and then closing the bracket, then put enter. Here you can see that this is our monthly interest rate. If we try to calculate annual rate, we just need to go there and write 12 into this value, just enter. Here you can see this is the annual rate. You can convert it to percentage. This is how you can easily calculate interest rate in Microsoft Excel. Hope that you like this video. Thank you for watching the video.